Is that too loud?
Hey guys, we got Dylan out here ripping it up on his truck. Anyway, we're gonna do some boat upgrades this afternoon. It's a really fun video. Our buddies over at Better Boat sent us a couple of things for our boat. We've got a brand new winch strap and we've got a couple of boat ratchet straps. I'm gonna show you guys how to put this on. I've brand new in the box, never been open. We're gonna see what we can figure out here. And we're gonna see what we can put on our old boat here. So like you can see, we're leaving the cover on. We're not doing any work to the inside of the boat. We're gonna put a new winch strap on. Our old winch strap here is, as you can see, very old and dry rotted and pretty concerning.
I did the truck.
So Dylan's gonna be right here helping us out. Sophie's behind the camera. And come back here and check this out. This is gonna be a huge upgrade to our these old like cam style. These are such a pain. So y'all see what we have to do now. I'll show y'all once we get the Better Boat straps on, what they look like. So hang out with us, check this stuff out. Let's go open it up. All right, let's cut this here off and get the opened up here. Dang, that looks beautiful.
Ooh, that's pretty.
This got winch strap warnings, directions, just says remove the old strap, loosen the bolt, remove the bolt. So I've got some tools here. We're gonna get the old strap ripped off here and put this new one on. So let's see what it looks like. So you can see the color difference. See how sun faded and awful ours is? All right, there we go. We'll pop that bolt off and put the new strap on and get it spooled back up here.
I didn't know that this is how this works.
This has probably
Is this how
been...
the John boat is too?
Yeah. This has probably been on here since 1993.
You think so?
Yeah.
The big ones. The big ones.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Get a new strap here. Look at that thing.
It's pretty.
It's a 20-inch. I mean a 2
I was
inch,
like, what?
2-inch, 20-foot strap. So that's gonna be plenty of room.
This side needs to go on this side.
Yeah.
Because it's got the...
Like that.
No. This needs to go connect with this.
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
I try to tell her how to do things.
I only knew that because I put the WD-40 on it.
She got it quieted down.
I think. We'll see when we get it going.
Look at that.
I want this big.
Swap back over to our 5/8. Alrighty. Just like that. There we go, guys. That looks good. Fits up under our roller nice. Everything's good about it. Got a 10,000 pound braking strength. Working load limit of 33. That's way more than our old boat weighs. So Better boat, your winch strap fit, and we appreciate it. Let's go to the back, get those ratchet straps on there. All right, guys, Dylan's back on the Jeep, and we're at the back of the boat. You can see the old motor here. We got us a brand new prop too. Better Boat didn't send us that, but got us a brand new 4-blade. We're excited to get it back out on the water too. But we're going to get these old straps here, the old turnbuckle style straps. This is gonna be a huge upgrade. I've actually always wanted a set of these. Oh man, those are beautiful too. Look at that.
What makes these different?
These guys,
whoa,
we're gonna mount right here.
Oh, okay.
And it's just a quick done, and then literally just cinch it down. And it's gonna be just like that.
Okay.
That's gonna set low enough. That's gonna be a real good spot for them right there. You got a drive-by by Dylan there. So it comes, of course, with 2 of them. 1 for each side. We've got some bolts. And we've got some mounting brackets. Best I can tell, we're not actually gonna even need the brackets. There's a whole line of Better Boat products. A bunch of cleaners, they've got anchor kits, bilge pumps, flags, the erasers for the cleaning, lines, brushes, boat fenders, upholstery set.
Silicone tape too.
So Better Boat's going to be linked in the description here of our video. So y'all check them out. They were kind enough to send us this stuff. We're going to get it on there. We're going to make great use out of it. So we appreciate it. It says, directions for optional mounting bracket used to install at different angles. I think the way that our boat's laid out, we're not going to need a bracket.
Well, what does that do?
You could come off like at different angles if you needed to.
Oh, okay.
You could make stuff. We could come off right here off of that existing hole, actually. Not even drill a hole in our trailer.
Well, I'm for that.
And come off right there. Alright guys, I got the tools here. Literally all that you need is a 14mm for the head side and a 17 for the nut side. And we are actually going to use that little bracket. I wasn't sure about it, but this thing is so versatile. Oh, I'm gonna have to swap out for a deep well 17. Hang on, be right back. All right, look at that. Just like that, deep well appeared. I'm gonna leave that just a hair loose.
Dylan, what you got?
I got a pole on my back.
Okay.
You put the pole in the back.
Are you going fishing?
I don't fishing.
Okay.
I was doing welding. I'm doing fishing.
Okay.
That's my horn.
That's a good sounding horn, buddy. Alright guys, there it is. Show y'all one-handed. Get that push down in there. Pull out however much you need. Snap it on there. Push that blue button. Senses it down. You can give it a little bit, just like that. Look at that. I mean, you can sense down on that thing. Well, that's tight. Everything's super solid. And when you get to the lake, you're ready to take it off. Same thing, blue button, push it down, just like that. Pull out however much slack you need, unhook it, suck your slack up. You're ready to roll. Put the boat in the water. So do the same thing to the other side. That's nice.
Over there.
Just like that. Look at that. It takes about 5 minutes maybe to upgrade. It would be a little better if you had the right tools, but I did mine with a pair of pliers. If you had a 17mm box end, it'd make it a lot easier. But like I said, again, whenever you're wanting to get more slack, push in this little blue button. You can pull it out wherever you need it. And then, say you pull out way too much, hit the blue button again, sucks your slack back up. And then crank it down. Just like that. Ready to roll. So that's awesome.
And it looks cool.
It looks awesome.
I like that blue.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be way, way easier at the lake. Help get rid of these old turnbuckle styles. So better boat. Thank you all so much. And everyone be sure you go check them out at the link in the description. These were the trailer. Let me see, let's go make sure. I think it was the winch straps, and then, no, up front was the winch straps. These are the boat ratchets. So anyway, they're on their website. Better Boat, thank you guys for sending them to us. And we will catch y'all with these bad boys out on the water. See y'all later.